Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how to make Haitian fried chicken with sauce on the side, as well as Haitian fried chicken that's stewed in the sauce. The ingredients I'll be using for this video to clean the meat is 2 pounds of chicken drumsticks, vinegar, salt, and lime. To marinate the meat, I'll use 4 tablespoons épices, lime, half a packet chicken bouillon powder, half a packet sazon, onion powder, garlic powder, half a teaspoon ground clove, black pepper, oil, tomato paste, sliced onions, sliced bell peppers, as well as water. Remove the skin off of the drumsticks and cut slits into the chicken. Cutting slits into the chicken will help the marinade penetrate the meat. Pour vinegar, salt, as well as the juice of 1 lime onto the meat and clean each piece of drumstick with the lime. Allow the drumsticks to sit in the citrus marinade for about 5 minutes before pouring hot water. After the drumstick has been sitting in this hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, go ahead and drain and rinse under cold water. Add the cleaned drumsticks to a different bowl. Add your épices, chicken bouillon powder, sazon, onion powder, garlic powder, ground clove, black pepper, as well as juice of 1 lime. Mix, cover, allow to marinate for a few hours or overnight. In a heated pot, go ahead and add the seasoned drumstick. Notice that I did not add any oil or liquid to the pot. Once the meat starts to cook, it will render its own liquid. Allow the chicken to cook covered on medium heat for about 35 to 40 minutes. Check occasionally to make sure it has enough liquid. Remove the chicken from the cooking liquid and set the liquid aside. In a deep fryer or pot, go ahead and add your oil. When the oil is hot, go ahead and add the chicken and allow it to fry until it's golden. Once the chicken is done frying, go ahead and place it on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Now here you have it, Haitian fried chicken with sauce on the side. Continue watching the video to see how I make the sauce. In a hot pot, go ahead and add a few tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and allow it to cook. Slowly add some of the liquid that was reserved from cooking the chicken. Add the remaining liquid that was reserved from cooking the chicken and 1 cup of water. Allow it to come up to a boil before adding the sliced peppers. Add the fried chicken and the sliced onions and cover and allow to cook for a few minutes. Now there you have it, 2 ways to make Haitian chicken. First you had the Haitian fried chicken with the sauce on the side, and you have the Haitian fried chicken with the chicken stewed in the sauce. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Follow A Taste of K on Instagram at tasteofk_. See you in the next video.